Past indefinite tense is also known as past simple tense. We use this tense to express actions that have occurred in the past. For example, I finished my homework yesterday. We sent him a book last week. They visited my office 2 days ago. In past simple tense, did is used as a helping verb. Did you finish your homework? Did people say goodbye? Did they catch fish yesterday? He did not drink cold water. She did not work hard last week. I did not meet him last month. In past simple tense, 2 forms of verb are used. Second form of verb is used for the formation of affirmative sentences. For example, they finished homework. He bought a new phone. She taught English yesterday. First form of verb is used for the formation of negative and interrogative sentences. For example, did they finish homework? He did not buy a new phone. She did not teach English yesterday. The formation of affirmative sentences. To form an affirmative sentence, first put subject, then put second form of verb, then put object, and put full stop at the end. They won the match easily. We watched a movie last night. She wrote a letter to her friend. They played football after school. He bought a new phone last week. I visited my grandmother yesterday. The teacher explained the lesson clearly. The formation of negative sentences. To form a negative sentence, first put subject, then put did not. Then put first form of verb, then put object, and put full stop at the end. They did not win the match easily. We did not watch a movie last night. She did not write a letter to her friend. They did not play football after school. He did not buy a new phone last week. I did not visit my grandmother yesterday. The teacher did not explain the lesson clearly. To form an interrogative sentence, first put did, then put subject, then put first form of verb, then put object, and put question mark at the end. Did they win the match easily? Did we watch a movie last night? Did she write a letter to her friend? Did they play football after school? Did he buy a new phone last week? Did I visit my grandmother yesterday? Did the teacher explain the lesson clearly? Both used to and would indicate something that was true or happened regularly in the past, but is not true or does not happen anymore. We use used to for past state or action. For example, I used to visit zoo every week. You used to have a white car. Would is used for repeated past action. For example, they would go to the park. She would tell amazing story. Used to describe state and action, so it is more flexible than would. Let's compare used to and would. I used to wake up early for school. She used to live near my house. He used to be very shy. They used to travel by bus. We used to play cricket every evening. My grandfather would tell us stories at night. When we were kids, we would swim in the river. She would help her mother after school. On Sundays, they would visit their relatives. I would drink hot tea every morning. Here are adverbs of definite past time that are most important. Let's illustrate them with examples. Yesterday. I met my friends yesterday. Ago. We visited your office an hour ago. Then. You lived in Dubai then, last week, last month, last year. They studied our case last night. At that time. He came to know about us at that time. On that day and once. On that day, he realized his mistake. I once visited Turkey. In 2020 and in the past. We last met in 2020. People wrote letters in the past. The use of past simple tense. We use this tense to express a completed action in the past. For example, he ate breakfast this morning. We use this tense to describe past habits and repeated actions. For example, we played hockey after school. We use this tense to express past states or conditions. For example, people knew the correct answer. We use this tense for specific time in the past. For example, he visited Dubai last winter. We use this tense for past or previous actions. For example, they started a business last year.